Hey guys, today I will show you how to upgrade your FIFA 15 players. Not even FIFA 15. In any FIFA you got and upgrade your players like level 99, 0 to 99, upgrade, increase or decrease, that's your choice. Let's start the video. You have to go to customize section, okay? Then create player, use RS button. RS is here in the console, okay? Go to edit player and I am selecting XAVI. I will give any type of number 0 to 99, like giving 86 and selection of boots, tuck shirt, untucked shirt, full sleeves, half sleeves, wrist, like socks, okay? Then main thing, important thing, change attributes. I'm increasing his skills. I'm increasing his level. You saw 78 is his level and I will show you 99. See, 95. I got 95 and like I'm choosing this 59. Increase or decrease your player stamina is now it's in your hand. Yeah, see 71, 58 to 71. Yeah, there is small saving. And thank you guys, like, comment and subscribe my video.